Welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, in exercise 1 we have completed up to 5 problems. Now 6th problem. I have written on the board. See the question. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course. Part of his course content. Find out how much course content is left. Now Abdul is preparing for his exams. That means he is reading his textbook. In his textbook he has completed 5 by 12 part. More, how much part is left? That means how many chapters are left or how much content is left. Content means lesson and chapters like that are left. They are asking now. Here he is preparing for his final exams. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. How much course content is left? That means he is preparing for one final exam. That means total from this one textbook he has completed 5 by 12 parts. Total we have to take as 1. From this one he has completed 5 by 12. More, how much part is left? ఎంత మిగిలిందో అడుగుతున్నారు. Then how to find? From this total we have to subtract 5 by 12. Then you will get how much content will left. Now total content is equal to 1. Then Abdul has completed. How much has completed? Abdul has completed is equal to Abdul has completed 5 by 12 parts. Then how much content will left? That means from this total we have to subtract 1 by 12. 1 minus 5 by 12. From this total you have to subtract 1 by 12. If you don't have any denominator, then you have to take the denominator as well. From this one we have to subtract 1 by 12. That means now here 1 minus 1 by 12. These are two unlike fractions. If you have to unlike fractions, then you have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Then you have to subtract 1 by 1. You have to multiply this total fraction with second fraction denominator. The second fraction denominator is 12. You have to 12 by 12. 1 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. Next, take the second fraction is 5 by 12. You have to multiply the second fraction with first fraction denominator. First fraction denominator is 1. So 1 by 1. 5 by 12. 5 1s are 5. 12 1s are 12. First fraction is 12 by 12. Second fraction is 5 by 12. Now write here 5 by 12. Sorry. 12 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Both the denominators are equal. If the denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. So both the denominators are equal. Then take only one denominator. Then take 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 gives 7. 7 by 12. So he has completed 5 by 12. More, 7 by 12 part is left. 7 by 12 course content is left. 12 part of course content is left. Course content is left. Now I have one doubt. ఇక్కడ నాకు ఒక డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఏంటి? Now may I convert this fraction into mixed fraction? ఇప్పుడు ఈ fraction నేను mixed fraction లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చా లేదా? No, it is not possible to convert into mixed fraction. Why it is not possible? Because only improper fraction is possible to convert into mixed fraction. Now it is a proper fraction. So for proper fraction there is no possibility to convert into mixed fraction. So you cannot convert this into mixed fraction. So Abdul 1 by 7 by 12 part of course content is left in this Abdul prepared. Next, 7th question is find out the perimeter. They have given one picture. For that picture we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means to find around the figure. To find around the figure is called perimeter. Next, 7th question is find the perimeters of first one, triangle ABC. Second one, the rectangle BCDE. in this figure. Which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? Which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? Now they have given the figure. I am drawing the figure. See here. Now here A, B, C, D, E. These two are equal in the rectangle. Always you have to remember opposite sides are equal. These two are equal, these two are equal. It is 1 into 2 by 3 centimeters. It is 4 into 2 by 3. It is 2 into 1 by 5. It is 3 into 1 by 3 centimeters. Just now I said in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. If it is 2 into 1 by 3, then it is also 2 into 1 by 5 centimeters. It is 1 into 2 by 3. So it is also 1 into 2 by 3 centimeters. Next, now we got each and every perimeter. Now all the each and everything are in mixed fractions. If you want to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction, how to convert? 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. It is 11 by 5 centimeters. It is also 11 by 5 centimeters. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5. It is 5 by 3 centimeters. It is also 5 by 3 centimeters. Now convert this also. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 by 3 centimeters. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3 centimeters. Now we have converted each and every fraction into improper fraction. Each and every mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we will find. Now read the question once again. Find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Here we have triangle ABC. It is triangle ABC. It is triangle ABC. We have to find the area for this triangle ABC. So next, the solution. Now see the solution. First read the question once again. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. ABE. It is triangle ABE. We will find the perimeter of the triangle first. The perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to perimeter of triangle ABE. Now, for triangle we have 3 sides. How to find the perimeter of the triangle? If you add these 3 sides, then you will get the perimeter of this triangle. So the triangle of the perimeter of triangle ABE. Then you have to add these 3 sides. AB plus BE plus EA. So the perimeter of the triangle is equal to triangle ABC. Triangle ABE is equal to, then what are the 3 sides here first? AB plus, next AB has completed, BE plus EA or AE, and write EA. So if you add these 3 sides, then you will get the perimeter of the triangle ABE. Next, AB. For this AB, what is the length of AB, Nana? First they have given in mixed fraction. We have converted the mixed fraction to improper fraction. We got 10 by 3. AB is equal to 10 by 3 plus. Next, what is BE, Nana? Here 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 5 centimeters. That means that is 11 by 5 plus EA. EA is 14 by 3 centimeters. 14 by 3. Now we got 3 fractions. Now these 3 are different with denominators. These 2 are same, but it is different with denominator. Then addition of fractions. How we have completed addition of fractions, Nana? 10 by 3 plus 11 by 5 plus 14 by 3. Now see the denominators 3 comma 5 comma 3. Find the LCM for denominators. The LCM of 3 comma 5 comma 3. Now find the LCM for 3 comma 5 comma 3. 3 comma 5 comma 3. Both are prime numbers, but here we have 2 3, so take 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 5 not possible. 5 you have to write as 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5 are 15, 15 ones are 15. So 3 into 1 into 5 into 1. So the LCM we got is 15. Now 10 by 3 into we got the LCM as 15 plus 11 by 5 into we got the LCM as 15 plus 14 by 3 into we got the LCM as 15. Now cut here. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. 10 plus 5, 15 plus 11 3s are, sorry. 10 5s are 50. 11 3s are 33. 14 5s are 6, 70. No. 50 plus 33, 83, 83 plus 70, 153, 153, our LCM is 15, our LCM is 15. Now see here, any more possibility to cut? 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, it is possible to divisible by 3, 5 plus 1 6, both are divisible by 3, so take 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, so we got 51 by 5. 51 by 5 is an improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to convert? By the division. So here do division here only. 5 51. 5 ones are 5. Otherwise take directly 5 tens are 50. Here 10 minus 1 minus 0 is 1. How to write that 1? Here 1 into 10 by 5. Sorry. We have to do division. Write the division also. 5 tens are 50. 5 first. What we got here? 10. 1 by 5. 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 1, 51. 51 by 5. For the triangle, we got a perimeter 51 by 5. We have converted this 51 by 5 into mixed fraction. Then we got 10 into 1 by 5 centimeters. For area of a triangle perimeter, we got 51 by 5. Then next question is the rectangle BCDE in this figure. BCDE. It is a rectangle. For this rectangle also we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. So we will use that formula, then we will find. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, I'll rub this diagram. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to perimeter of a rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into, what is the length here? Length is 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 centimeters. If it is not perfect, it is 5 by 3 centimeters. Now the breadth is 11 by 5 centimeters. Length is 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5. 2 into 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5. Both are unlike fractions. Convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Write the 2 as it is. 5 by 3 into multiply the first fraction with second fraction denominator. 5 by 5 plus 11 by 5 into multiply the second fraction with first fraction denominator. 3 by 3. 2 into 5 5s are 25 by 3 5s are 15 plus 11 3s are 33 by 5 3s are 15. 25 by 15 plus 33 by 15. These two are like fractions. If you have like fractions, then you have to take only one denominator, that is 15. 25 plus 33. 25 plus 33 is 2 into, it is 58 by 15. Now this 2 belongs to this numerator. Multiply this 2 with numerator. 58 2s are 2 8s are 16, 1 becomes carry, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 116 by 15. Is it possible to cut in 3 table? Now check, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Now 15, it is not possible to, so it is not possible to cut. So the perimeter of this rectangle BCD is 116 by 15 centimeters. Up to here 2 perimeters has completed. Now they are asking which figure has greater perimeter and by how much? It is 51 by 5, that is 116 by 15. Which figure has greater perimeter? The rectangle has greater perimeter. By how much means we have to subtract from rectangle perimeter minus triangle perimeter. Up to here understood? Now the rectangle. For the rectangle we got 116 by 15. It is improper fraction. Now we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How to convert? 116 by 15 by division. 15, 116. 15 6 are 90. 15 7 are 105. If you take 15 8s are 120. 120 will become greater number. So 15 7s are 105. 6 minus 5 1. 1 minus 0 1 only. Now it is 11 into 7 by 15. 11 into 7 by 15 centimeters. Out of now for first one we got 51 by 5. How much you got for triangle Gana? 51 by 5 means 5 tens are 50. Sorry, 5 tens are 50 you got. 10 into 1 by 5 you got. It is 11 into 7 by 15. Out of these two, which has greater perimeter means triangle has greater perimeter. Now we have to subtract triangle perimeter minus rectangle perimeter. Triangle ABE has greater for triangle we got 51 by 5. Next for the rectangle we got 116 by 15. Now both are unlike fractions. How to convert unlike fractions into like fractions? You have to 51 by 5 into 15 by 15. Next 116 by 15 into 5 by 5. 51 into 15, multiply 51 into 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 1 ones are 1, 1 5s are 5, 5, 6, 7, 765 by 15 5s are 75. Next 116 into 5, 116 into 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 5 ones are 5, 580 by 15 5s are 75. Next here we have subtraction symbol. Now we have to subtract 765 by 75 minus 580 by 75. Now both are converted into like fractions. Subtraction of like fractions. Now both the denominators are same. Then take only one denominator. 765 minus 580. Now subtract here 760 minus 580. So 765 Nana. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. 6 minus 8 not possible. Then if you take bar it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. It is 185 by 75. It is both numbers are end with 5. So it is possible to cut in 5 table. Then cut in 5 table. 5 3s are 15. Out of 18, 15 has completed. 3 remains. That is 5 7s are 35. 5 ones are 5. Out of 7, 5 has completed. 2 remains. 5 5s are 25. Now it is 37 by 15. Improper fraction. Now we will convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? By division. Now 37 by 15. In 15 table 37 is not possible. So 15 2s are 30. Here we have to do subtraction. 7 minus 0 is 7 only. 3 minus 3 0. No need to write 0. If you convert this 37 by 15 into mixed fraction, then we got 2 into 7 by 15. Sorry, Nana. 2 2 into 7 by 15 centimeters. 15 to the 30, 30 plus 7, 37, 37 by 15. The conversion of 37 by 15 into mixed fraction is 2 into 7 by 15. Then triangle has greater perimeter. When you compare these two, triangle perimeter is 765, rectangle perimeter is 580. So just now I said triangle has greater perimeter. So up to here, 7th problem has completed. Complete these two problems in your notebook and write in your notebook. If you have any doubts, ask me, I will explain. In the next class, we will learn about multiplication of fractions.